Captions are indeed one of the best tools to enhance understanding. They provide clarity, improve accessibility, and allow people to follow along, regardless of language or hearing ability.
Today, I'm challenging myself to finger paint a stunning sunset with water reflections, and I have no idea how this will turn out. Finger painting a sunset is one of my favorite creative activities. There's something so joyful and liberating about using your fingers to create bold, vibrant colors and textures on paper. It's an amazing way to express yourself and tap into your inner artist, and I just can't get enough of it. When it comes to painting a stunning sunset, many artists struggle to capture the beauty and essence of this natural phenomenon. One of the biggest challenges is conveying the sense of warmth and light that a sunset evokes. It's tricky to get the colors just right, and to create a sense of depth and atmosphere in your painting. Another challenge is capturing the subtle play of light on the water, which can add an extra layer of complexity to your painting. But even with these challenges, the reward of creating a breathtaking sunset painting is well worth the effort. There's something so special about capturing the fleeting beauty of a sunset, and preserving it on paper for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, the process of creating a sunset painting can be incredibly fulfilling. For many artists, the biggest hurdle is simply getting started. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the vast range of colors and techniques involved in painting a sunset, and to worry that your final result won't live up to your vision. But the truth is, the most important thing is to just dive in and have fun. With practice and patience, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Let's get started with the materials we'll need for this project. For our finger painting, we'll need some high-quality paper that can handle the wet and dry techniques we'll be using. I love using hot-press watercolor paper, because it gives us a nice smooth surface to work on. We'll also need some finger paints, of course. I'll be using a range of vibrant colors to capture the warm tones of the sunset. Finally, we'll need some paper towels and a cup of water to help us blend and smooth out our colors. To start our painting, let's begin with the sky. I'll be using a mix of yellow ochre and burnt orange to create a warm, golden tone. I'll apply the paint in broad, sweeping strokes, using my fingers to spread the color evenly across the paper. As I work, I'll be using my paper towels to gently blot the paint and create a soft, textured effect. Next, let's add some clouds to our sky. I'll be using a light touch and a gentle stroking motion to create soft, wispy clouds that drift across the page. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different techniques as you work. Finger painting is all about embracing the process and having fun. Now it's time to add our sunset colors. I'll be using a mix of pink, orange, and yellow to create a vibrant, gradient effect. I'll apply the paint in bold, sweeping strokes, using my fingers to blend the colors together and create a sense of movement and energy. As we add more color and texture to our painting, it's starting to come alive. The vibrant hues of the sunset are really starting to pop, and the subtle play of light on the water is adding an extra layer of depth and atmosphere to the scene. I just love how this is turning out. It's truly stunning. And here's the final result. Isn't it breathtaking? The warm, vibrant colors of the sunset are just glowing on the page, and the subtle play of light on the water adds an extra layer of magic to the scene. I'm so thrilled with how this turned out, and I hope you are too. One of the things I love most about finger painting is the sense of satisfaction and pride you get from creating something beautiful with your own two hands. It's an amazing feeling, and it's something that I hope you'll experience for yourself. We're going to explore how to elevate your painting skills specifically for mini canvases, so your art can truly shine. Many beginners feel intimidated by the small size of mini canvases, often leading to over-detailing or lack of confidence in their brushwork. When you're working on a small scale, it can be tempting to try to fit in as much detail as possible, but this usually ends up looking cluttered and overwhelming. The truth is, mini canvases require a different approach than larger ones, and understanding this is crucial to creating great art. A lot of people also struggle with brush control, finding it hard to maneuver their brushes in tight spaces, which can lead to sloppy strokes and uneven textures. This lack of control can make even the simplest composition look amateurish. Another common issue is that people often underestimate the power of negative space on a small canvas, leading to a lack of visual balance. We'll discuss essential techniques such as color mixing, brush selection, and composition that are crucial for mini canvases, helping you to create striking artwork. Color mixing, for example, is a vital skill for any artist, but it's especially important when working on a small scale, as the wrong colors can make your piece look muddy and uninviting. Brush selection is another key factor, as the wrong brush can make it impossible to achieve the level of detail you need. Composition is also critical, as it's easy to get carried away with adding too many elements, which can make your piece look cluttered. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to create artwork that's both visually stunning and professionally presented. The key insight is that less is often more. I'll show you how to simplify your approach to achieve stunning results on a small scale. Instead of trying to cram as much detail as possible onto your canvas, focus on a few key elements that will make your piece pop. Remember, the goal is to create something visually striking, not to showcase every single detail. By paring back your approach and focusing on the essentials, you'll be able to create artwork that's both beautiful and sophisticated. Another important thing to keep in mind is the importance of visual balance, which can be easily disrupted on a small canvas. By using negative space effectively, you can create a sense of harmony and balance that draws the viewer's eye. Don't be afraid to leave some areas of your canvas blank. It can be incredibly powerful. And finally, practice, practice, practice. The more you work on mini canvases, the more comfortable you'll become with the unique challenges they present. The key insight is that less is often more. I'll show you how to simplify your approach to achieve stunning results on a small scale. Simplifying your approach doesn't mean sacrificing creativity, it means focusing on the elements that will really make your piece shine. It's about being intentional with your brushstrokes, your color choices, and your composition. It's about understanding that every single element on your canvas has a purpose, and that by working together, they can create something truly stunning. By embracing this mindset, you'll be able to create artwork that's both beautiful and meaningful. To sum it up, mastering mini canvases is about practicing restraint and focusing on impactful techniques to enhance your artwork. It's about understanding the unique challenges of working on a small scale and overcoming them with skill and creativity. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your own mini canvas experiences, and check out my next video for more painting tips.